Good day, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss topics under psychological foundations of curriculum. Let's begin with constructivism. What is constructivism? Constructivism was conceptualized by educational theorist Jean Piaget. He believes that young children learn by constructing knowledge from experiences. It is a learning method that teaches through hands-on experiences rather than lectures. That knowledge is constructed when the learner is able to draw ideas from his own experiences and connect them to new ideas. Learning is most effective when students are conscious of the ways they think, learn, and apply their knowledge. This awareness of our mental processes is called metacognition. Metacognition is essentially thinking about thinking. It is the ability to reflect on your own thought processes, monitor your understanding, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Now let's proceed to brain research and learning. Did you know that the human brain is made about of 100 billion nerve cells connected to 100 billion connections? Yes, there are roughly 1,000 different types of connections, each with unique instructions that influence our individual personalities and behaviors, such as whether we love or hate, obey or rebel, or are intelligent or not. Feuerstein's theory of structural cognitive modifiability influenced the popular understanding of the brain's adaptability. Feuerstein emphasized the importance of adult-child interactions. He referred to this process as mediated learning experience, or MLE. Let us discuss the impact of technology on the brain and learning. According to research, 95% of teens between the ages of 12 and 17 are online now, with 3 in 4 using their cell phones, tablets, and other mobile devices to access the internet, compared with only 55% of adults. While some cognitive skills like visual spacing skills and the ability to scan and evaluate information quickly are developed, while the ability to concentrate and persevere in challenging tasks are deteriorating. Experts believe this technology is altering our brains and their development in both positive and negative ways. The rise of social media is also changing how the children and adolescents develop. Over 70% of teens aged 13 to 17 use more than one social networking site, usually Facebook, Instagram, and/or Snapchat, aided by the fact that 73% own smartphones. However, experts caution that these instant connections may diminish human and social interaction. When children engage in shallow forms of communication, they can lose the ability to recognize social cues such as facial expressions, body language, and gestures, potentially weakening their relationships. For adolescents, it can amplify their shooting sense of narcissism, anxiety, and inadequacy, and contribute to digital age problems like cyberbullying and sexting. Constantly seeing other people's happy lives online, including their accomplishments and vacations, can make adults feel envious and sad. This is sometimes called Facebook depression. For now, we're going to discuss problem-solving and creative thinking. Problem-solving and creativity may or may not go hand in hand. Research does reveal a correlation between the two. Problem-solving, previously referred to as reflective thinking and today called critical thinking, is based on inductive thinking, analytical procedures, and convergent processes. It is also conducive to rational and scientific thinking and is the method of arriving at a solution or correct answer. Creative thinking, on the other hand, includes intuition and discovery based on inductive thinking, originality, and divergent processes. Creativity is conducive to artistic and literary thinking and is a quality of thought. There is no right solution or answer when creativity is the goal. Here are some of the metacognitive strategies of reflective, critical, creative, intuitive, and discovery thinking that fit a variety of course and content situations for complex cognitive tasks. First is the intuitive thinking. Intuitive thinking is a form of thinking that relies on instincts, feelings, and hunches rather than conscious reasoning or logical analysis. It's often described as a gut feeling or an intuitive sense of something. Brunner popularized the idea of intuition in his book, Process of Education.